In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync contacts' birthdays and special events into your Google Calendar. This handy trick will help you stay organized and never miss a special occasion. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to open up your Google Calendar. It's where all the magic happens and is your central hub for managing appointments, birthdays, and any kind of planning needs. You can simply do this by going to your preferred web browser and navigating to Google Calendar. If you haven't yet bookmarked it for easy access, you might want to consider doing that. On your screen's left-hand side, where you see the title My Calendars, there's a list of various calendars that you manage. Here, you'll want to locate the one labeled Birthdays. The Birthdays calendar is incredibly useful because it compiles all the important dates from your Google contacts that you've taken the time to input. Now, it's vital to ensure that the birthdays calendar is visible. If you notice that the box next to birthdays remains unchecked, all you need to do is give it a simple click to select it. This action will make all birthdays stored in your contacts visible on your calendar. If you're following along on a mobile device, you'll need to tap the menu icon, the familiar 3 horizontal lines, often known as the hamburger menu. Next, navigate to Settings, tap Show More, and then simply check birthdays to make them visible. Once you complete these steps, all the birthdays that live in your Google contacts will automatically appear in your calendar. This seamless integration helps you remember those important occasions without having to think twice. It's like setting a personal reminder while keeping everything in one place. A quick tip to enhance this process: as you meet new people or when your friends update you with their special dates, make it a habit to add their birthdays to Google Contacts. This small step will ensure that they appear automatically on your calendar, giving you peace of mind about forgetting. And that's it. You've now successfully synced your contacts' birthdays and special events into your Google Calendar. These few simple steps will go a long way in keeping your commitments organized and ensuring you never miss another birthday celebration. So, go ahead and give it a try. Your future self will thank you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.